This screencast will show you how to embed your lecture videos on your Vula site. This is done via any Vula tool. Let's use the announcements tool as an example. Let's click on announcements, add an announcement, give it a title, and add some text in the body. Select the text that you'd like to link to. Click on the shopping cart icon, then open Cast Video. Scroll down to your video, hit select, and then OK. Post announcement, and let's preview. There we go. Our video opens in a new window. Alternatively, you can link via the Lessons tool. Let's click on Lessons, add content, add external tool, open Cast Video, launch external tool configuration, scroll to our video, hit select. We can then edit and select inline. Also select the height, update item, and there we go. Our video is embedded in our Lessons tool.